Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all will be fine. Today we are doing exercise 2.5, class 9 exercise 2.5, and we will do some questions on the based on algebraic identities. Now we have already studied about identity, that is a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. So what are the identities? A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. We are doing first part of question number 8. The terms are given and we have to find the factors of this question. So student, we will be given the expanded form of either a plus b whole cube or expanded form of a minus b whole cube. So first we will identify two cubic terms in the given question. Two cubic terms. So students, see here, 8a cube. 8a cube. 8 is the cube of 2 and a cube is the cube of a. So 8a cube can be written as 2a cube plus b cube is the cube of b, so we can write like this. So 2a cube plus b cube. Students, we can see in the identity a cube plus b cube, so we can find the value of a. What is a? Here a is 2a and b cube, and b is what? B. Now students, we will see the next term in identity, not in question, in identity. What is the term? 3a square b. So we are writing the next term, that is plus 3a square. A is what? 2a. So 3a square and b is what? B. The last term is plus 3ab square. A is what? 2a. And b square. B is b. So b square. Here we can check what will be the value of this one. 2 square is 4. 4 3s are 12. A square b. Our third term was 12a square b. It is matching now. Similarly, 3 2s are 6. ab square. Last term is 6ab square. That means our question has been converted in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this can be written as, it is the form of a plus b whole cube. So we can write a is what? 2a. A plus b is what? B was b. So 2a plus b whole cube. That is our answer. Clear? Now in the second question, again we will be given 4 terms. 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. Students, again we will find two cubic terms. We will identify two cubic terms in the given question. So we can easily see 64a cube. 64 is the cube of 4 because 4 multiply 4 multiply 4, that is 64. So 64a cube can be written as 4a cube because 4 cube 64 and a cube is minus 27b cube. 27 is the cube of 3. So 27b cube can be written as 3b cube. Now students, there is a negative sign. So it will be the identity of a minus b whole cube. What is the identity? A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So from these two terms, first two terms, we can identify the values of a and b. So what is the a? A is 4a. What is the b? B is 3b. So our first two terms was a cube minus b cube. So we will check what is the third term. Third term is minus 3a square b. So we will write in that form, minus 3a square. A is what? 4a. A square and b. B is what? 3b. And the last term is plus 3ab square. 3a is what? 4a and b square. B is what? 3b. Student, here we can check our third and fourth terms. Listen, 4 square is 16. 16 threes are 48 and 48 threes are 144. 144 a square b. The third term was 144 a square b. And the last term, 4 threes are 12 and 3 square is 9. So 12 nines are 108. It is 108 a b square. A b square. That means our conversion is correct now. So student, this is the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this can be written in the form of a minus b whole cube. So a, what is a? A is 4a minus b, b is 3b whole cube. That is our final answer. Clear? The same question, the fifth part of question number 8. Again we will identify two cubic terms in the question. So 27p cube. Student, 27 is the cube of 3p whole cube. 27p cube can be written as 3p cube minus 1 upon 216. Students, 216 is the cube of 6. 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. So 1 upon 216 can be written as 1 upon 6 whole cube. So here we can identify the values of a, because first two terms we have already got a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. So what is the value of a? 3p. What is the value of b? 1 by 6. So next term is our minus 3a square b. Minus 3a square. What is a? A is 3p. So 3a square and b. B is what? 1 by 6. Last term is plus 3ab square. A was 3p and b square. 1 by 6 square. So students, we can check our question to solve this, that the third term is 9 by 2 p square. Students, we are solving this. See, 3p square is 9p square into 1 by 6. If we solve this, so 3 ones are 3 twos are. So what will be the final term? 9 upon 2 p square. So our term was 9 upon 2 p square. Similarly, we can solve this one. 3 into 3p into 1 by 6 square is 1 by 36. So 3 12 times cancel, again it will be cancelled by 4. So it is 1 by 4 and p. So 1 by 4 p, last term was 1 by 4 p. That means our conversion is correct. Now the question has been converted. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This can be written as a minus b whole cube. A is what? 3p minus b. B is 1 by 6 whole cube. That is our answer. Is it clear, students? Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.